Good morning, students. Hope you are good today. And today we are going to learn English, class first, chapter number 7. It's the chapter number 7, The Lion and the Mouse. So, in this chapter, in the previous section, we read about a lion and a mouse. What manner the lion and the mouse met, and the lion get angry, and then at last they became friends. So let's just read it out fastly. In a jungle, the lion was sleeping. A mouse came and disturbed him. Then lion got angry. Then mouse said, "I am small, but I can help you in the future. Please don't eat me up." The lion let him go. And one day, again, the lion was very sad because he was caught in a net. And then mouse came here. Mouse saw. Then mouse said that, "My friend, I will free you now. I will help you." The mouse nibbled at the net and tore it wholly. And from that, the lion and the mouse became friends. So this was the whole story. We was done with the take the correct answer. So let's recall it. Okay. What was lion doing in the jungle? What was the lion doing? He was sleeping in the jungle. Who disturbed the lion? Dog, cat, or rat? It was rat who disturbed the lion. Who helped the lion? Dog, rat, or hunter? Obviously, the rat helped the lion. Who became friends in the end? The lion and the hunter, lion and the cat, lion and the mouse. So it was lion and the mouse who became the friends at the end. Moving further to the match the following. The lion was sleeping in the jungle. A mouse ran up on his head. The lion was very angry. Mouse said, "I will help you." The lion smiled and let him go. The lion was free at the last. So this was your match the following, and let's move further to the question and answers. Where was the lion sleeping? The lion was sleeping in the jungle. Lion कहाँ सो रहा था? Lion जंगल में सो रहा था. Why was the lion angry? जो lion था वो angry यानी गुस्सा क्यों हुआ था? Because a mouse ran up on his head. क्योंकि एक जो चूहा था वो उसके सर पे भागकर आ गया था, इसीलिए जो लायन है वो गुस्सा हो गया था. Let's move towards our next question. In what was the lion caught? Lion किस में फंस गया था, किस में पकड़ा गया था? The lion caught in a net. जो lion था वो एक net के अंदर फंस गया था, net के अंदर पकड़ा गया था. Why was the lion sad? The lion was sad because he was caught in a net. लायन सैड इसीलिए था. लायन उदास क्यों था? तो लायन उदास इसीलिए था क्योंकि वो एक नेट के अंदर पकड़ा जा चुका था. ठीक है. मूविंग फर्दर टू द टिक राइट एंड रॉन्ग. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट. द लायन वॉज रनिंग इन द जंगल. जो लायन था वो जंगल में भाग रहा था. नो, द लायन वॉज स्लीपिंग इन द जंगल. सो इट्स अ रॉन्ग. The mouse began to play on the lion's head. जो माउस था वो लायन के हेड पर खेल रहा था. इट्स राइट. जो लायन था उस लायन के हेड पे माउस खेल रहा था. द माउस वॉज कॉट इन अ नेट. सो इट्स रॉन्ग. जो माउस था वो क्या वो नेट में फंस गया था? रॉन्ग. नेट पे कौन फंसा था? लॉयन फंसा था. द माउस हेल्प द लॉयन. सो इट्स राइट. लायन की मदद किसने की थी? माउस ने की थी. सो इट्स राइट. नाउ मूविंग फर्दर टू द ग्रामर सेक्शन. वी हैव टू यूज व्हाट in this grammar section. We have to frame a question over here. How? Just like the children are playing in the garden. So where are the children playing, or what are the children doing in the garden? Okay, so let's start. The children are playing in the garden, and the first word we have given here is what. So what are children doing in the garden? The monkey is sitting on a tree. So the first question is where. So where is the monkey sitting? So it's sitting on the tree. Moving further, Ravi is carrying an umbrella. What? What is Ravi carrying? Okay. The parrot is in a cage. So the question given is where. So it will be the where is the parrot. Neha is playing with her doll. So the first question is what? So what is Neha doing? So overall, these were some sentence from which you have to make a question by the given words over in the front. So how we made it? Somewhere it was what and somewhere it was where. Where which means that कहाँ है वो, and what means कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Okay, so hope you like the video. Thank you.